Spring in Australia. Flowers bloom, the sun returns, life feels calm, peaceful, until you hear it. That warble, that warning, and suddenly, the sky becomes your enemy. Every September, the angry magpies of Australia declare war. For 6 terrifying weeks, entire suburbs live under siege. Cyclists wear helmets with zip ties like porcupines. Posties risk their lives to deliver letters. Joggers run like zigzagging maniacs. Magpies watch and wait. Why the chaos? Simple. It's nesting season. Magpies are fiercely loyal parents. Walk too close to their babies and they'll swoop you at 60 kilometers an hour, aiming straight for the eyes. Some magpies swoop once and vanish. Others come back again and again, like feathery assassins from the sky. Australians have even created online maps to mark the locations of rogue magpies. Urban legends like Blackbeak of Brisbane or the Terror of Toowoomba. And here's the twist. Australians love these birds. They're football mascots, national icons, brilliant songbirds with voices that can mimic music. Some people even befriend them in the off-season, hoping to earn a personal truce when spring rolls around. So, when you hear that haunting warble in September, remember, you're on borrowed time. Somewhere in the gum trees above, an angry magpie is watching, waiting, and plotting its next strike.